I know you're tired of using harsh chemicals and antibiotics to keep your chickens healthy and productive. To minimize your production costs by maybe even observing withdrawal periods, having sick birds. I know you've still been searching for natural and effective ways to improve the quality of your poultry and broiler farming. Look no further than the Aloe Vera. You've been taken through the video by Vet Mwangi of Lamwa Vet Care Poultry Department. Don't forget to like, share us where you're watching from, as today we'll try and brainstorm the positive effects of the Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has been used for centuries for its numerous health benefits. And it's no wonder why this amazing product, this amazing plant, contains over 200 bioactive compounds, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids that can help to improve digestion, boost the immune system, and promote the overall health and wellness in both you, the farmer, you eating the cuckoos, you watching this video, human, and your animal, and your poultry venture, your backyard poultry. But what makes the Aloe Vera so beneficial for poultry and broiler farming? Let's take a closer look at some of its key advantages. Number 1, improved digestion. One of the main benefits of Aloe Vera for poultry, broiler farming, layer farming, is improved digestion. Aloe Vera contains enzymes that can help to break down food and improve nutrient absorption, which can lead to better feed efficiency, better breakdown of foods, reduction of inflammation in the gut, and preventive of digestive issues such as diarrhea and the notorious coccidiosis. Number 2, stronger immune system, which is another advantage of the Aloe Vera in poultry chicken farming, is making or having the bird have a stronger immune system. Aloe Vera contains polysaccharides and other compounds that can stimulate the immune system and increase resistance to infections and diseases. This can lead to healthier chicken with fewer illnesses and lower mortality rate. Better feather quality. Aloe Vera also improves the quality of feathers in chicken. Aloe Vera has vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy feather growth, such as vitamin E and zinc. Additionally, Aloe Vera can help to moisturize and soothe the skin, which can prevent feather pecking and other feather related issues, cannibalism, feather pecking, the pecking order. Aloe Vera has a natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Aloe vera also has natural antibacterial properties that can help to prevent and treat infections in chickens. Studies have shown that aloe vera can be effective against a range of bacteria and fungi, including E. coli, Salmonella, Aspergillus. This makes aloe vera a great alternative to antibiotics and other harsh chemicals that can have negative effects on the environment and on human health. So, when you use aloe vera as an organic treatment, you don't need to observe the withdrawal period in your poultry products. So, how can you incorporate aloe vera into your poultry, broiler farming, chicken farming practices? These are the different ways. Number 1, aloe vera can be added to chicken feed in form of a powder or a gel. Aloe vera can be used as natural supplement to boost the immune system and promote overall health in chicken. Aloe vera gel can be applied topically to soothe and moisturize the skin and feathers. So if but all you have a case of fall pox, papilloma virus in your chicken, you can apply the papules on the aloe vera. Overall, aloe vera is a natural and effective way to improve the quality of your poultry and broiler and chicken and farming ornamental birds. But by incorporating this amazing plant in your farming practices, you can enjoy healthier, more productive chicken without the use of harsh chemicals or antibiotics. So, don't use antibiotic to healthy flocks. Stop the use of antibiotics to healthy flocks, or maybe without the recommendation of a veterinarian. Don't forget to like, comment, and even share. Share us where you're watching us from as you await on the next topic. You can even subscribe on even the comment section. Write the topic that you do want us to venture in next. See you in our next video.